Hey, Mike with Pond Pros. We're actually out here in Highlands Ranch area. In regards with concrete ponds, they're a bit troublesome when we want to effectively keep them clean. If they don't have proper filtration, there's a couple of things that we want to add on to assist with the algae production in the pond. We're actually going to be constructing it out of aqua blocks. So the aqua blocks is going to give us the height that we need. And then on top of that, we're going to be installing some flagstones right on top. And so that's going to give us a nice stable platform for rocks and gravel and plants to rest on. So here it is. And I wanted to kind of show you guys, we've got, it looks like it's rubber lined, but it's got a formal concrete feature around the perimeter of it. Then of course we've got, you know, these nice platforms. And so we spent most of the morning just getting all the muck and debris out and getting things cleaned up. So now we're in the mode of doing the actual hardware, the construction side of it. We're about halfway into it. So far it looks good. Looks great. So we're going to go get some parts needed for this concrete pond. And so this is actually going to be a little bit of a unique setup where we got an Aquaforce pump attached to that. We're going to put in a small fountain, like a 6-foot radius fountain head, just to provide some movement within the pond. So we're going to go over to True Pump. True Pump is located just south of downtown area over on Broadway. Wonderful people to work with. They're exceptional. They know their stuff, and they have been our distributor for many years. So when we get down there, we'll take a look and see what they got.
Is that a comfortable way of sitting? With your arm like that?
Yes, it is. It is. It's the Captain Morgan chair. Dun, dun, dun. Did you see my mask? Watch this. Locked. They lock the door every time. Oh, how'd you do that? Joanne, we got the AquaJet 2000. Ooh. Oh.